Good morning, beautiful people. Thank you so much for clicking this video to join me on my Saturday morning routine. So I'm starting off my routine by washing my face. I'm also going to show y'all the brand of soap that I'm using. I found it on Amazon. It's actually a turmeric-based soap, which helps to even out your skin tone and complexion. This soap is really good for helping to heal dark spots that you may have on your skin. So during this time of the year, I typically switch my routine and use this soap to start my day. I usually like to use some warm water on my rag while I'm wiping that soap off, just so that, I can penetrate deep into my pores and clear all of that dirt out from the day before. And then I'll go in with some rose water toner and then seal all of that moisture in with some vitamin E and jojoba oil. I recently added the CeraVe healing ointment to my routine. I noticed that using that, it gives me a lot more moisture. I didn't show that here, but that is something that I have added to my routine just yesterday. So today I decided to go with contacts. I normally do glasses. However, I'm going to the gym today, so contacts it is. Because I'm not really at my desired weight yet. When I do get to my desired weight and feel more comfortable in those type of clothes, then I'll go ahead and buy those things. But for now, I don't need to buy all those things. So I wanted to show you guys that I do have on a sweat shaper, I guess you can call it. It's not really a waist shaper, but it will help me to sweat underneath my clothes while I'm working out. And it has that, I guess you can call it plastic underneath, so that I can, sweat even more. I pulled my shorts up over it because it's a little uncomfortable, especially if I feel my shorts like falling down. So yeah, this shirt is actually specifically for sweating. It helps to curb your sweat. It traps the sweat in, and it doesn't make the shirt heavy so that it doesn't feel like it's sticking to you. It's like breathable cotton, I guess you can call it. So it really helps, because I like to do the stepper, and girl, I could sweat on that step machine, the Stairmaster, whatever you want to call it. So this traps all that sweat, and it helps me to have a better workout because my clothes aren't feeling heavy on me. So yeah, I'm just waiting on mom to get dressed. We're gonna go to the gym together today. So yeah, I'll see you guys in a minute. Oh my gosh, y'all. I literally just went upstairs to go grab my sneakers and I'm about to head out to the gym. And look what just showed up. What? The Vanity is here already. It's not even September. What is today? September 2nd. They said between September 5th and the 11th. So I was anticipating the 5th through the 11th. This is so, okay. Not only that, but Mom and I, after we come from the gym, we're going to go to Ulta. So I'm like, all right, y'all. I'm so excited. All right, see y'all later.
I gotta bring those
Y'all, the way that I'm already sweating and we haven't even left the house, this is my second time wearing this elastic sweatband. Yo, this, I told y'all I could sweat. Now my body doesn't sweat a lot, but my head, ever since I had these dreads, my head just like sweats so much. But y'all, yes, so the freaking Vanity is here. Y'all don't know how excited I am about this Vanity. I've been like daydreaming about it. I've been like daydreaming about this Vanity. I want this Vanity to be put up like ASAP, but I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna chill. So for today, Mom and I, yes, I told y'all before that Mom and I are gonna go to Ulta, and we're probably gonna go to Sephora too, just to see what they have. I am looking to complete my makeup set because I currently don't really have a makeup routine. I tell you, during COVID, I really went natural, so I didn't really do a lot of these things that I'm doing today. So yeah, I really want to get back into doing makeup. I want to get back into, me and making myself look good, feel good, and all that good stuff too. So I also want to do my hair. I know I said it in my vlog that I was going to be doing my hair, but I never did get around to doing it because it was just so much going on. So I really want to do my hair. Some point this weekend, my hair will be done. If not today, then I'll do my hair tomorrow. But yeah, Mom's coming out now, so we're gonna go ahead and head to the gym. I also need to renew my membership at Planet Fitness too, because I canceled it thinking that I wasn't gonna need it, but I actually do need it because Planet Fitness is the only gym around here. Really, it's sad, but there's nothing around here. So yes, my face looks good too, y'all. I've been doing this new routine that y'all saw me do just a while ago, and it's helping to really even out my skin tone. My complexion is looking very good. That orange soap that y'all see me use is a turmeric based soap, so it pretty much lightens your skin. Not lightens it, but it just evens out your skin tone, and it also helps with like dark spots, because if you could see, I have like dark spots right there from like acne, hair, ingrown hair, and all that crap. But yeah, so my skin looks really good. But y'all, yes, we're driving to the gym, so I'll see y'all later. Hello family, that workout was pretty good. It was a nice way to get back into the swing of things from taking 2 weeks off, 1 week for my birthday. Last week I was out because I was moving pretty much, so I didn't work out these past 2 weeks. But the good thing is still losing weight, so that's a good thing. So yeah, Mom and I are on our way to Ulta. I don't know what I'm looking for. I thought you would guide me. I want stuff for my face. I don't know, like the stuff for my face.
You want to look for the foundation?
I want mostly for like making my face foundation look good. So like concealer. I need a darker shade of concealer, and
This is under eye treatment plus. This is vitamin C something. What is?
have a good one.